I'm Sherilyn Bilger. I created Eating for the Ecosystem 3.5 years ago. When March began, I was getting ready for a new spring season, initiating new hires, expanding job roles for existing employees, and implementing our very first actual marketing plan. We were also coordinating the first workshops for our new nonprofit branch. And then COVID-19 hit, and we, like so many of you, got derailed. Our site work in landscaping and tree service does include some tasks that are currently deemed essential, but our industry leaders have advised companies like ours to perform only emergency jobs, like removing trees that endanger people or buildings. In response to these constraints and stay-at-home orders, I made the difficult decision to stop doing site work, laying off all of my employees, canceling hiring new workers, and encouraging employees to apply for unemployment benefits. Frankly, we would much rather work at your homes, but even if we follow all precautions, the risk of contracting the virus remains. EFTE is eligible for some financial assistance, and I have submitted a number of applications, but of course those systems are overloaded and we haven't yet received a response. I nonetheless hope that I am able to get some funds to hire a couple employees back to work remotely on things like the newsletter and the nonprofit. In the meantime, I am available for remote consulting, coaching, research, and education. Since all of us are at home more, you may have some free time, and if you are interested in doing more gardening, growing some of your own food, learning how to properly care for the street trees on your block, building planter boxes, or you need some advice or garden designs, I would love to help. Whether you're an absolute beginner or a seasoned gardener looking for some new ideas, I've got knowledge and skills to share. These online sessions will use Google Meet, which you can access through your web browser. You can sit at your computer, or you can take your phone or laptop to show me whatever you want to show me. Do you want to know what sort of food you can grow on your patio? Is there a weird fuzzy thing growing on a bush in your yard? Is one of your houseplants looking particularly sad? Do you want help identifying a plant or two? The basic consultation is 30 minutes long for $50, and each additional 15 minutes will be billed at $25. After our session concludes, you'll receive an invoice through our online system. When we receive your payment, you will receive a recording of our session, so that means you don't need to take any notes while we're talking. I hope you are all staying safe out there, and I hope that all of the precautions currently in place help us get back to site work soon. We love the work we do, and we miss it. Take care, everyone.